YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bia and this is my bubble, and if you like it here you can always hit the subscribe button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use a curling iron. I'm going to use this curling iron I got from Clicks. This isn't the best or the most expensive curling iron, but it gets the job done. A few things you need to know about a curling iron is that this part right here is called the barrel, and this is the clip part. Both of these parts get really hot, and trust me, if you get burned, it hurts a lot more than a straightener burn. Also, if you're considering to buy a curling iron, just keep in mind that the barrel size is really important. The bigger the barrel, the looser the curl, and the smaller the barrel, the tighter your curl would be. My curling iron is on the larger side because I like looser, more bohemian looking curls or waves. If you would like to know how to get different types of curls using a curling iron, stay tuned and keep on watching. The first curl we are going to be doing is just a classic curl that I'm sure you've seen your mother, grandmother, all of them wearing. It's just that plain classic spiral curl. So I usually start at the front pieces and then work my way to the back. First you're going to take just a moderately sized strand of hair, about this big, and I like to just run the hot iron through my hair just a few times to smoothen out any frizzy pieces. When curling the front pieces of your hair, remember to always curl away from your face because it frames your face better. We are going to be alternating curling away from the face and curling towards the face so that you don't end up with just one big curl. For the classic curl, we're going to start with the barrel at the back of the hair, like so. Starting quite close to the roots, I close the clamp and then turn and twist, making sure that the ends are also in the barrel, and then I hold it for a few seconds and then release with the clamp. Now I'm going to do another piece coming towards my face. So I'm first smoothing it out a bit. And now curling it towards my face, the barrel has to be on this side of the hair, where it was like this the first time. So I'm putting it like this, closing, turning, while pulling it down, making sure those ends are also in, and wait for a few seconds and slowly release. And there you have it. If you would like to have a looser look, you can wait until the curls have cooled completely and then just rough it up a bit. Now I'm going to be showing you a more Taylor Swift type of curl, if you know what I mean. Now for the second curl, I also smoothen out the piece first. Now with this curl, I'm not going to be holding the curling iron like this. I'm actually going to be holding the curling iron like this. So this hand holds the strand of hair and this hand goes at the back of the strand of hair. So we are going to be wrapping the hair around the barrel like this and closing the clamp. Hold it for a few seconds and then slowly release. And see, it's a completely different curl with the same curling iron. Vicky! She also wants to be part of the shot. Go ahead, Jojo! Back, puppy! And again, the strand is going away from my face and not towards it. So the second strand we will be doing now will go towards my face. So I'm smoothing out this piece again. And now I'm putting the barrel in front of the strand and not at the back. So I'm putting it in the front with the clamp open, wrapping around and closing the clamp. Wait a few seconds. There you have it, a Taylor Swift kind of curl. Also, when this is cold, you can also just rough it up a bit for a more messy kind of look. Now for the last type of curl. It's more of a bohemian type of beach wave. So firstly, I would again, going away from my face, just smooth out the strand and then place the barrel at the back, clamp open, close the clamp, twist, while keeping a piece of it sticking out, wind it up, and then just slowly pull it out like this. And there you have a much straighter curl, if you will. Going to repeat the other part. This time I'm going to do it towards my face, so I'm putting the barrel on this side of the hair, twisting inwards, making sure a small piece is still out, winding up, and then slowly twisting. There you have beautiful beach waves. Now once it's cold, I just zhuzh it up a bit. And there you can see it's a much more bohemian type of wave. I really like this method, and this is one of my favorite types of curls. So I'm just going to complete the rest of my hair and then I will show you the final result. Ta-da! And this is the final result using that more bohemian loose type of curl. I really like this look as it gives a more bohemian, more chilled vibe than the other curls. Also, don't be afraid to mix and match those curls for a very natural look. Doing one bohemian type of curl with a more classic curl and what I like to call a Taylor Swift curl, you can always just mix and match, and sometimes you don't even have to do all of your hair. You can just do a piece here or there to give it a more natural look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you would like to be part of this bubble. Comment down below what you would like to see next, be it a hair tutorial or a beauty tutorial. Comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for being my YouTube friends. I will see you next time. Bye! Joint pose. See you next time. Bye!